Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, today we're going to do a smoky eye tutorial. Like, y'all wouldn't want to do this. Like, it honestly looks so bomb and it's quite simple. It's an easy procedure to do for yourself. Even for a beginner, it's quite easy. So stay tuned if you want to learn more, and most importantly, like, share and subscribe to my channel. It's all about good vibes over here. So yeah, let's get to the video. So I've set my eyelids as usual. So we're going to go ahead with the color. I'm going to do a pink themed smoky eye look. Yeah, something like that. I'm really skeptical about using pink, but it's all the short. So first of all, I'm going to start with a black eyeshadow. Since you're doing a smoky eye, I think it's quite obvious. So I'm just going to pack the eyeshadow on my eyelids. A very simple step, by the way. And as you apply, make sure you like really fill up that pigment. So I'm going to leave it at that, then I go to the other eye. So that's done. So what I'm sorry, what you're going to do next, I'm going to like look for the pink shades that I want to use, because of course they have to be a variety. So I think I'll go in with this and maybe this one. Yeah, because I want the intensity of the colors to like fade. I don't know whether you understand what I'm saying. Today I'm clumsy. Yeah, so I think I'll go, first of all, I think I'll add this. It's kind of reddish, but I think I'll just add it just to create the pigment. So I'll use a fluffy brush for that, so that I can also blend it in with this black. I'm not going to use a lot of red because of course it's just to build up the pigment. So on top of this red, I'm going to now use the pink. I don't know whether you can see the theory I was trying to put out over there. So just make sure you apply until you feel like they're blended well enough. Make sure you remove like the harsh line. Blending this thing is actually quite hard, but you have to like be patient and all that so that it can actually come out nicely. So I blended out both sides. I just wanted to see like how it looked before it actually goes bad, because the smoky eyes are quite tricky. So I just did the same thing. So I'll just go in with the lightest shade now, so then you can just, it looks kind of harsh, but when I go in with this lighter shade, it will at least bring out a nice blend. I'm just going lightly. I don't want to like have a lot of pink in my eyes. Though I told you, also skeptical about pink because I honestly don't like pink on me. I don't know why, but it's because I'm light skin and I don't like light things on my skin. Yeah. Aside from that, let's continue blending. Like, and the remaining pigment which is on my brush, I'll just go over everything just to bring like a very subtle, nice look. If you feel like your black ain't that black, just add whatever you want to add. It's really up to you, but I wouldn't advise because you've used the black. If black is hard for you, use dark brown. It's better. and it's easier to blend. So I guess that's it, honestly, because smoky eyes don't have like a lot of work, but it really takes a lot of practice to blend them out, because y'all, it's really tough out here. So I'll just like clean up like this excess part. I finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be back. So this is the final look. As you can see, like no pressure, no nothing. It was just that easy. The only tricky part is blending, the blending part. But when you just get the hang of it, it'll just flow. So I think I'll just add a little of the remaining eyeshadow on my brush over here. I don't know whether you can see, like it really brings out my eye. Let me do that on this other side. Don't like add more product, just use the one we chose on the brush. I don't love lining my eyes just because I have an eye problem, not like it's anything serious, but yeah, I'm normally allergic to these things and I risk it all for y'all, but I have to look pretty. As you can see, my eyes have started turning red. So yeah, I'll just do this quickly and add some little pink. Ouch. And yeah, that's it. So make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, most importantly, and stay tuned for more tutorials. So bye.